Many conventional fan heaters fail to heat the room effectively because they use spinning blades powered by inefficient motors. The Dyson Hot+Cool fan heater uses Air Multiplier technology for long-range heat projection. An annular jet draws in surrounding air, amplifying it, for fastest whole-room heating in winter, with high-velocity airflow to cool you effectively in summer. AM05 is safe with no spinning blades or visible heating elements, and it cuts out automatically if tipped over. The temperature of the heating elements is maintained below dust burning point, so there's no worrying burning smell. It oscillates smoothly, pivots with easy touch tilt, allows target room temperature to be set to the degree in heating mode, and can be operated from the remote control. With AM05, it costs approximately 30% less to heat a whole room than with other fan heaters, and it can lower energy bills by up to 20% when used with air conditioning.